guys, what is up? It is I, the Concrete Catwalk. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I love all things thrift, vintage, new, nearly new, estate selling, you name it. I love it. To my catwalkers, welcome back to a new video this Sunday. Those of you who are newly subscribed, thank you so much for coming along together on this journey. So you guys, I want to share with you pieces that I have that the more and more I've been thinking about, I almost want to call them, in fact, I'm going to call them humble luxury pieces. That is a discussion that I want to have with you guys, and I want to know what your perspective is about it, where you think fashion is going. Before we jump into some of these things, is what I am noticing across a lot of the stores that I go to look for things. What a lot of people are wearing are things that are much more simplistic. I'm not talking about that stuff with quiet. I'm not talking about that. Things are getting back to simplicity of the thing itself. So before I jump down that road, let me start with some of the things that I have here. For a very long time, I had not stepped foot inside of a Gap store. Probably about 3 months ago, I decided to pop into a Gap. I'm going, what? Right to the sales rack. And surprisingly looked, and I came across this simple black button-up shirt. To the point, no craziness, black buttons, all cotton, the type of thing that you could pair with a pencil skirt, jeans, shorts, you name it, it could do a mountain of things. What I like about it, it is just a plain black shirt. That's it and that's all. I picked this up on sale for all of, I don't even think it was $9 at the point that I bought it. I love it for what it is. So let's keep moving. Now, you guys, oh my God. When I was growing up, Russell was the thing that everybody wore. Sweatshirts, hands down. If you were going to wear sneakers, you were pairing it with some Russell something, a hoodie, whatever. I picked this hoodie up at Gabriel Brothers, one of the places that I shop, for all of $7.99. You guys know Russell has been around forever and a day. They can get a little bit pricey, especially on the vintage market. I do have a vintage Russell sweatshirt. The thing that I like about Russell sweatshirts is they are so thick, so warm, they are so luxurious, if you will, because they do just what they're supposed to do. Look good, fall right, and keep you warm. So moving on to my next humble luxury, a sleeper set. These drawstring piped shorts and the matching top. Same thing, button up, piping around the collar, across the pocket, and also piping at the sleeve. What I love about this, whether I choose to wear this as a loungewear or wear this out the door, it has that built-in flexibility. No matter which way I decide to wear it, the level of luxurious with this is the simplicity in it. It's black and white, and you can never go wrong with black and white. It's not complicated. It's no messiness. It's no fussiness. Let's keep it moving. The next thing that I want to show you in my collection of humble pieces, luxury humble pieces, luxury loose word, behind me, this boat tote. I love this because it is no fuss, it is no muss, it is what it is. A tote that I could take anywhere, work, out on errands, and it looks great in the process. It's just a simple structured tote that works well. Last thing that I want to show you are a pair of sneakers. I don't know what took me so long to decide that I wanted to get a pair of them. The most practical white sneaker, these gorgeous Stan Smith Adidas. Oh my God. I saw these and I just want you to look at the back because they have like a little bit of a teddy bear texture at the back of the sneaker. Of course, the 3 stripes for Adidas. They have Stan Smith's face on the front. And if you guys don't know, Stan Smith is a tennis legend and icon. And these sneakers were named after him. They work with so many different looks, from black trousers, you name it. The flexibility and what you can wear with these are absolutely incredible. That brings me to the cumulative about the conversation I want to have with you guys. Humble luxury. I think the word humble mixed in with the luxury that is the simplicity of each one of these things let you do what it is that you want to do with them. The simplicity of them allows you to use them the way that they're meant to be used. It's no nonsense, whether it be this canvas tote, whether it be the Russell hoodie. They are there to do what it is that they're meant to do. Make you feel really good because you can use those things the way you decide that you'd want to put them to use. And it's not something that you have to interpret. You're not worried about, is this going to be on trend? Is this going to be out of trend? Is this going to be something that is going to be able to sustain in my wardrobe for year after year after year? I think at the end of it all, what I like about so-called humble luxuries, there are things that you can use and interweave into your wardrobe, and they're going to have staying power. They're going to be able to do what it is that they're meant to do, whether they're brand spanking new or over the course of time when they've been used and loved and they start to show their age. They're going to be able to still serve the purpose that they're meant to do, be functional, be practical, and be something that you can just grab for and not even have to think about it. That says a lot about things that are coming from places that are not in that designer realm, not in that name brand realm. No, it's keeping it simple, and it's looking at the fact that these things are simple things that you can grab for and you can use and negotiate your life easily with them. You guys, let me know in the comments below your thoughts about humble little luxury pieces. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts about these things that I showed you, and let me know your thoughts about that whole thing with the humbleness of certain things that are indeed simple life luxuries that work well in your wardrobe. If you do not want to miss out on anything that I post, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Sunday, so if you do not want to miss out, tap that and you'll receive notifications each time I post a new video. Links to my socials will be listed in the description box below. Head on over to Poshmark. Check out my closet. I am Concrete Catwalk on Poshmark. Feel free to leave me a message there if you see anything in my closet that you might be interested in, or head on over to IG. I am the Catwalks Concrete on IG. Feel free to DM me there as well. You guys, thank you so much for stopping by this week. Be safe. See you all next Sunday. Bye for now.